How do I create second Instagram account with the same email address? It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started. First thing first, make sure that you're running the latest version of the app. Once you have got the updated version, simply open the app. Make sure that you are logged into your specific account. Let's say you want to create a new account with the email address that you have created this account. What you want to do is move into your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen, and then click on this three horizontal line at the top right corner. Scroll all the way down to the bottom, and then tap on Add Account. Simply click on Create New Account. Now what you want to do is, you just have to enter the username for the new account that you want to create. Once you have entered the username, tap on Next. And just like that, your new account will be created successfully, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the wrap for this video. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.